What's up, Hitec Nation? Van Solvera back here in the workshop with another build video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Spectrum Eratix. So unless you guys are brand new to our channel, I'm sure you already guessed that we're going to be throwing some of our very own servos in here. But before we do that, I wanted to show you just how easy it was to build, because it probably took me only like 10 to 20 minutes to build the entire thing. So let's go ahead and roll that footage. So now that you've seen us throw this plane together, we're gonna go right into putting some servos into it. So the servos that we chose to throw into this plane are gonna be the HS-45HB and the HS-70MG. Alright guys, so now that you've seen us fit our Eratix with some brand new Hitec servos, we're going to go ahead and take it out for a test flight with Mr. Jim Bonnerdale. So Jim's going to take it around and fly it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then he's going to let us know what he thinks about our upgrades. So let's go ahead and get into it.
What's up, Hitec Nation? This is Jim here. Just got done flying the Eratix with the Hitec servos, and I am so thrilled. I feel more connected, I've got better endpoints, and a faster response rate.